Hi friends, welcome to Queen's Collection. A warm hello from Team Queens. Today I bought a very beautiful range of nightwears in which I've got nighties in cotton materials, in spun material, in alpine material, as well as few night suits. And if you like the collections, you can ping us on WhatsApp. Our team will get back to you. And these collections will be available for only a couple of days. So book your piece as fast as possible. And if you need any sort of alteration, we can get the alteration done and send it to your place, as we have got worldwide courier facility. So come on, let's start with the collections. The very beautiful piece I'm showing you right now, it comes in rust color with pochampalli print, and you can have a look at the colors for this. Very beautiful colors. Pink is there, you have got this green color with which print changes a bit, again a red color, a blue color, and mustard color. Front and back, you have got this frills and nice, you'll have lace in the front, and the price for this one is 290 only. You got many other varieties other than these at the store also. Very beautiful nightie what I'm showing you right now. It comes in with a very beautiful tilling pattern at the neck, and you can see the colors also. Colors also very beautiful. This is a rust combination. This is a dark coffee brown, rama green with blue combination, coffee with biscuit combination. And see that these are many colors and many varieties. The prints will be keep on changing. If you like to see in video call, we can show you the same things as well as different other patterns also. The price for this one is also 290. The next piece what I'm showing is also very beautiful. It comes in up down chart, navy blue color with round about greenish color on the neck. Nice lace work done on the neck, and you got back frills also in this. And the price for this one is 310. And the colors you can just have the beautiful colors available. Just reverse combination of this one, blue with navy blue, blue with pink, and pink with matte blue. Reverse combination of this one, and you can have more two colors also. There's blue with dark blue and dark blue with light blue. So these are the combinations, and price range is 310. Excellent variety, good quality. There's one more very beautiful variety. It comes in gamti prints. You'll have a nice patch in the neck. Patch will come with the stripes, and back you'll have frills in this one also. And the price for this one is 310 again, and got very beautiful colors in this. Prints and colors will keep on changing, so this print will again change, and color is also changing. This is the red color, this is the maroon color. Got similar thing with stripes also. Stripes in this nightie, you'll have full stripes, and on the neck you'll have this printed patch. Got color combination in this one also. So these are the 6 color combination what you're seeing right now in this. So very beautiful variety and very comfortable material also. Piece this is also very different. Color combination also very nice. All round neck nighties these are. And the price for this one is again 310 range. Got beautiful colors in this one also. This is a pink with maroon combination, green with light green combination. This is a reverse combination of this one, and you can have this is the reverse combination of this one. So color combinations, varieties, and this is the reverse for this one. So in this also you've got 6 colors, and price range is also 310. We'll have front and back frills. Very beautiful and very nice variety. There's one more excellent variety. It comes, this piece what I'm showing right now comes in pochampalli ikat prints. This is Jyoti print, 100% called Jyoti print. Prints square neck print button nightie. Got many other prints in this. Other than these also many prints will be available at store. You can just select through video call. See, these are the different kinds of prints what I'm showing you. This is just for a sample sake what I'm showing you right now. Other than these also many other varieties are available, and the price for this one is 310, and the size is L and XL in this one. Next night is again a very different, very beautiful piece. Colors are again very bright and nice colors. If you are looking for a bright color, you can go in for this set. Orange with coffee brown neck. This is pink with blue color neck pattern. This is just reverse combination of this one, and this is the reverse combination of the pink nightie what I showed you earlier. So the combination wise, the variety is very nice, and the price range is only 310 range. And next variety again comes in gamti print. Very beautiful. This also is in round neck, front round neck, and back also have round neck with frills, and beautiful colors in this. Got this 2 colors in this. All very cotton, and the base is in cotton material. The cloth is quite comfortable. The range is 310 only, and very attractive pricing also. And this is one more variety. Beautiful concept. If you like to see something in, I've shown you light colors as well as dark colors. If you want something in English colors, they can go for this chart. It's got 3 colors in this. This nice onion pink color with black color neck. This is a sandalwood color. This comes in green color. So beautiful color chart. A different color chart from the regular ones. And the price for this one is also 310. Different variety altogether is what I'm showing you right now. This comes in indigo prints. Again a round neck nighty. The prints will change, all indigo prints in this one also. Many other prints are also available. The price for this one is also 310 range. At present I am showing you two prints in this, two variations. Got many other variations also in this one at the store. Next variety is in mirror work. Beautiful kind of mirror work done, very different mirror work, nice print and very decent sober mirror work done. And the price for this one is 320. You can have a look at the other prints also in this, other colors. Blue color, you have got this pink color, you have got this green color. So very different variety. My price is also quite reasonable, 320 only. Size available L size. And next, this also comes in mirror work. This is very different piece. This one also one of the regular fast moving varieties out of store. The cloth what we are using is very fine, and the range for this one is 350 range. Many of the prints are available. For sample, I am showing you a couple of prints in this. This comes in brownish color. This comes in black and white color. Many other prints are also available. This range is 350, and this is one more variety in mirror work. The neck pattern will change in this. This comes in roundabout Gamti print type kind of stuff. The neck pattern will change, and this the price range for this one is 360. Got one more neck pattern in this, and the price range for this one is also 360. So beautiful varieties are what I'm showing you right now. Many other prints are also available other than these also. If you like alteration facilities available, we'll alter it and send it to your place. There's one of a very beautiful nighty comes in blue, dark blue color Gamti prints. You'll have a lovely patch over the neck with beautiful mirror work done on it. A nice lace also given, front and back round neck, and the price for this one is 360 only. And you got two colors in this. If you want a maroon, you can go red one if you're going for this one, and if you like the navy blue, you're going for this one. This is very beautiful, and this comes in white. Excellent variety with nice polka dots all over, small polka dots all over. And range for this one is 360. Got a beautiful work done at the neck in red color, so nighty looks very bright and nice, and got different prints in this. Background will remain same black, white, and but the prints will change. So these are the prints available. This is a ikat kind of print available in this. So round polka dots, geometrical prints and ikat prints both are available, and price 360 range only. Size L and XL variety. This is again a very different variety. This comes in batik print, one of the fast moving varieties in the store. The cloth is of high quality cotton. Again a round neck variety I'm showing you right now. The price range for this one is 380, and you can have a look at the colors. This is black with maroon combination. This with the maroon with orange yellow combination. Blue with purple combination. This is red and orange combination, and blue with light blue combination. So different varieties, and pricing is also very nice. Next piece what I'm showing you right now comes in spun material. The print is very nice. The color chart is totally different, and the price for this one is 390 only. And the color chart is also very beautifully got this English color chart in this. Got this orangish color, greenish color, and the sandalwood color. Three colors. All three colors are very beautiful. Range is also quite reasonable. It comes in spun metal 390 range only. The next piece comes in cottons, what I'm showing you right now. So this is the front part. You have got the smoking work in the front, as well as the smoking work is available on the back side also. So front and back smoking with all ikat and pochampalli prints done. The background for the nighty will remain black. Got 3-4 prints in this, and the price for this one is 400 range, 400. A very beautiful nighty at very reasonable cost. Cloth is also very fine quality. The next piece again is what I'm showing is in pochampalli print again. Got many of the prints in this. I'll just show you all the prints. Different kind of variety again, and the pricing for this one is 410 range. I'll just show you different prints, and this is also one more variety what I'm showing you right now. This also comes in pochampalli ikat prints. I have a nice gazing done at the neck, and got colors in this very beautiful colors. If you're looking something dark colors, you can go in for this. The blue one, the maroon, the green, and you can see this sandalwood. So all the four colors are really different. And again one very beautiful nighty. It comes in pure ikat pochampalli prints. Colors are also really beautiful. If you're looking for something dark colors, you can definitely go in for this. See, this is the colors in this. Dark blue, red, and mustard color with beautiful gazing work done on the neck, and price for this one is 430 only. And next variety is also in pochampalli print. The color chart will differ. This is in English color chart. You've got this very beautiful pink with grey combination. This I've got two color combinations, and the price for this one again is 430. Very beautiful pieces. And next is again a very different nighty what I'm showing you right now. The base comes in black color, fine heavy quality cotton material used. The price for this one is 430 range. You can see the colors also in this. You'll have nice beautiful black color, I got this dark mustard color and this dark tomato pink color. So color wise the pattern is totally different, beautiful variety. Next piece again what I'm showing is in spun material, lightweight spun material, beautiful print and beautiful lace work done on the neck also, with a nice satin piping given at the neck and the body. And the price for this one is 470 only. And you got a very nice color chart along this, all pastel color chart. Got this 3 colors, peach, pink and blue. So very different color chart and nice collections also. And this again, the cloth is quite heavy and the print is quite different. You got a nice decent lace work done on the neck, front buttons, and in this the background will remain same, but the print will change, the prints will change. This price for this one is 620. And see, in this you have got this domination of maroon color, in this you have this green color print done, and in this you have got this blue color print done. So very different variety, and the price is only 620 range. Next nighty what I'm showing again is very different. This is the front and this is the back. So square neck, front and back, and nice lace work done in the neck, and colors are very beautiful. Set also, you got this bluish color what I showed you earlier, nice brownish color, and this onion pink color. So all 3 colors are really different. If you are looking for some really different color chart, then you can go in for this. Cloth is a very high alpine material, and the range is only 710 range. Next night is what I'm showing comes in chicken variety, full chicken work done on the front and the back. One of the most fast moving varieties. You'll have all pastel shades in this. Now this yellow shade and this the green one in this. So many other different shades are available in the store also. Right now I'm showing you a couple of shades in this. The range is price is 710 only. This is one more very beautiful piece, one of the fastest moving variety. The base comes in alpine material, nice print done all throughout the nighty, front and back, and nice lace work down on the neck also. And the price for this one is 730. Got this color combinations in this, with this navy blue with pink combination, and this is black with orange combination. So both the colors are really fast and look very cute when you wear them. And this is also one more beautiful night. It comes in hosiery material, very heavy material, quite heavy material, very decent variety, nice variety. And the price for this one is only 770 range. In this I've got a couple of more varieties, I'll just show you. This is one more variety, it comes in hosiery material. The sleeves are a bit different in this. You'll have a nice kind of peacock kind of work done on the sleeves. Got one more color in this, and the price for this one is also 770. You can have 2 colors. This is onion pink color with blue color print over it, and this is around a grayish color print with red maroon color print over it. So both the colors are really different. The next piece again comes in alpine material, fine quality alpine material. The color chart is quite different in this one also. Nice printed variety with beautiful embroidery work done on the neck, and the price is quite reasonable. It's only 790 range. See, you can see the color chart also. Color chart is quite beautiful. You got the sandalwood color and you got the onion pink color. 3 colors, all the 3 colors are really beautiful, and the range is 790 only. And next piece what I'm showing you, it comes in hosiery material again. Very beautiful navy blue color with having white color print over it. Very decent nighty, and it looks very nice when you wear it, and cloth is quite comfortable. It will be comfortable for your winter as well as summer. Got this navy blue and maroon color, 2 colors in this, and the price is 790 range. Size available, L size is available in this. This again a very beautiful nighty. It comes in hosiery material, straight cut nighty, and very nice anchor thread stitch done on the neck, and very beautiful print all over done. And the range is 790 for this one, and got 2 colors in this. Both the colors are really nice, really beautiful, and very decent colors. They look very soothing to eyes also. And next piece what I'm showing, it comes in pure 100% cotton variety, heavy quality cotton, very fine heavy quality. You can just look at the variety. Once you wear this cotton, you want you'll be always asking this kind of stuff. So, and colors are also very beautiful colors are available in this, and the price for this one is 870 only. You can have a look at the color chart, quite different color chart. Prints are also quite different. You can see white, this is the red, dark maroon with blue combination, and this with blue with green combination. So all the colors are really different, and many other colors are also available. This, for the sample sake, I'm showing around about 5 to 6 pieces in each design. This is again a very different nighty. It comes in hosiery material, nice embroidery work down the neck, and on the pattern you got this very beautiful anchor stitch, which comes with the same color of the print done. and you got two color combinations in this. This is navy blue with pink combination, this comes black with yellow combination. So both the nighties are really decent, and the price range is quite reasonable. It's only 890 price at for House and Midland. Size available is L size available. And now I'm showing you something different. Now I'll be showing you night suits. This is a couple, there's a few varieties what I'm showing you right now. Many other varieties are available in this also at the store. This comes in 790 range, a very beautiful piece. This is the top, and this is the bottom along with this one, full length bottom. And these are the many different patterns actually what I'm showing you right now. Size available are L, XL and double XL, M, L, XL and double XL, 4 size available. This is the top. The small size what I'm showing you right now. This is a full length bottom. This is one more variety. Black top with this pink bottom, full length bottom again. Size available S, M, L, XL and double XL. There's one more very beautiful piece. Navy blue top with red lines, and then navy blue full bottom, navy blue full bottom. This is one more different variety. Light blue color top. The quality of the cloth is very high, and this is the bottom with this. And the range for all of them is around about 790, and different varieties of different ranges are also available. This is one more variety, navy blue top, and this very beautiful printed straight bottom. And the price for this one is also 790. And we have got few nighty slips also with along with this. These are few nighty slips. I'm just showing idea sake. And nighty slips we have got from around about 250 onwards till 370 range. This right now what I'm showing is 220 range. I got many other colors also in this. And so friends, these are for the nighties collection right now available today. And I'll meet you soon with new collections. Thank you very much.